Bia Kamal ka ChemHealth Naath Gwazin chi sanyrum ka poal poan kanangas kanyam. Hen waname ni ne ke chemistry kana poal poan ka Thok Naath. Jang ngwa ne ka syak ladde ka jagde ka bum ka kwine ne kon. Gorro kel ka ko ka go banaje gwejen go sign deranas jakago. Kana pel ka kwi was in biben. ChemHealth sign ka kwi teka poal poan ka kwine ne dial. Gwame topic danen bana raitin wale initially fundamental laws of chemical reaction. Take a mut tila wakanas was in kungak koka reaction kama chala chemical reaction. Take a mut ala laws, take a fundamental laws, basic laws tila wakanas. Muda to bana right kwidian bana waka watin. Tuang na jaka introduction kia katuk da gwame. Lat kajene wa chemistry kuwa state in the matter. Kana ta in kuira gara kaje, how it changes, ta and gara roda kaje. When a substance react to form a new substance, mishi substance ni, mishi karia, kego ba substance new kiyama jidid ba form aken. Namo a generalize all kone chemical reaction. Example, kiesha gwame. She hydrogen molecule shika react ki shika combine can oxygen molecule shakonum water ala piu hydrogen shika react can oxygen shakonum water ala piu combination mo ki reaction mo agential ke chemical reaction ko bena mo ba chobloidan ago ba chobloidan ba news than la ko reaction ko occur ke je ke than la joy ke je scientist ni she can mut to one she can discover ko banas ko la lok kata in that chemical reaction ka rodian can fundamental laws of chemical reaction ta kon ka ngwan min yam dien mi shala law of conservation of mass mereude a mishal law of constant composition ki a definite composition mendo dien mishal law of multiple proportion muden do dien ki law njak mishal law of reciprocal proportion kwana ka steady kalkali ko ba ko le jako betyak tuong na je ke law of conservation of mass ngulam statement kiemala men chalar ka kwide lemu jogna nawo alamas ka chemical reaction shada create daran chirana da chak ki shida destroy was ki during chemical reaction was the chemical reaction rotin wa mass shida ma destroy ki shida create shida wa chak amalo no wone alamas in ta reactant tinta ku sham equation na tin kula combine chalga ka reactant mass into ku reactant ni badil par kene mass into ka product side ta kon ka example gwame hydrogen sharia kene oxygen chakonom water muluno gwame ta kon ka 4 gram of hydrogen 4 gram of hydrogen ko hydrogen kel mass de kel ko mass de kel ta kon ke 2 atoms of hydrogen ke coefficient yana da ome ba kon 4 gram of hydrogen shikaria ke 32 gram of oxygen ko oxygen kel gram de walba kel 16 ko gram de 16 ta kon oxygen nang raw muluno gram dien cha 32 mi cha gamat kan 4 ti ba kon 36 ku cham ku me ka reactant ku chuij ba kon banong 4 gram of takon da kon daga 4 gram ka hydrogen guame yo oxygen bangud no kon 32 mi amat kana kan 4 to ba kon kul non 36 gram of water 36 gram of water mulono mazan te kucham kana mazan te kuchu cha kel mulono total mass before kana total mass after cha the same ke cha par nyenmo mulono ka explanation ke kala da gwame atoms are simply rearranged la kwa rearrange ni ke cha ka create ke cha ka destroy la kwa rearrange ni ke la garantan ta ke cha ka created ke cha ka destroy practical example gwame ego wa mi cha wood mi cha ban la cha jen cha ka wang ka closed system mi cha gak la total mass ka ash la ngat en tuben ka gas la carbon dioxide en cha release ka water vapor la tulun cha kula min chonial ko system cha gak batak dil te tul rejo tong mi bara wa kana an ban circle kana ngar min circle dan kan wang wa bi mass dien badil equal ko original mass of wood kana oxygen in cha use chikon ben kalo endodien ngana mo law endodien misha law of constant composition composition is constant charo da ger wana ke statement de lama la da kon gwame janni mi take a given compound take a compound misha mun awani chiang la take the same element in the same fixed ratio of mass no matter awa chamata o sai solve den ko kono nung tino ki adwo ki method of preparation indian chana use on ala mass bedilta bela fixed chana wora ke cha gwame ke example gwame ala water always contain hydrogen and oxygen in a ratio of 1:8 by mass whether wa piu ku ko non kari barrier ki ku ko non ka pinel ki ku kala pi laboratory ka melono mass ka hydrogen kana mass and oxygen charod bugul dilger badile pixit badile mishoro ger composition is always the same jogo no kono ne ngudme ego ala composition kador charod ger chana je fru gwa me ka calculation gwa me atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 where atomic mass of oxygen is 16 ka water ka piu la mass ratio ta kon ke 2 atom of hydrogen 2 chanyo rar gwa me times 1 gram of each hydrogen mi chaga time ba kon nung 2 gwa me ka gram of oxygen 16 melono ratio din 2 to 16 mi chana je yos pinke cha reduce ba ban 1 to 8 je mo ta kon ka practical example gwa me carbon dioxide power of 10 by burning charcoal carbon dioxide in kwajak from respiration la yi tan kuna breeze ke je process of breathing one chiang it contain 12 grams of carbon for every 32 gram of oxygen mulono composition la ko remain the same jen kulete ga mudu shala law of constant composition charo da ger ci kono je ka carbon dioxide in kwajak by burning charcoal la mass carbon is always 12 gram of carbon kana carbon dioxide in jaga process of breathing la respiration game la gram of carbon dioxide of carbon is always 12 gram kala take 32 gram of oxygen chana wakamanda dian mudin da dian mishala law of multiple proportion chana wakamala la statement da gwame chana you when two element mi chi element dang raw mi cha ka mat ke cha ka combine ke u ba ngu form ba one compound ba no ngaken ala masses ke element ala mazni ke element ni tin kula combine ke de kwala mat ke fixed mass ka other element la ken kon no mi cha simple whole number ratios chana jola gwa me ke chat ko be chop loy dan ban chop loy ban je kula jak gwa me ta kon ga carbon kan oxygen mi cha ka mat ke bi ken kon no two compound dang rawti madien niam cha kon no carbon monoxide madien rawde no kon carbon dioxide mi kon wo kon ka ratios ken wo kon ka doj carbon gwa me 1 carbon gwa me mode 1 ka compound me bi carbon oxygen babana 1 bu oxygen babana 2 gwa me alam no ratios of oxygen that combine is 1 to 2 ko 1 yal pingwa me babana 2 muluno cha konno simple whole number ratio practical example go nitrogen mi sharia kane oxygen la no kon compound dang diok ba kon no NO NO2 and 2O their combining ratios always la no kon whole number ratio gwa me ta kon ga compound an example an mi meten yalan chalat ta kon ga carbon monoxide kana carbon dioxide la mass of carbon 12 gram mass of oxygen ka component nyal 16 ka component la carbon dioxide gwa me ba bene 32 mi chana je calculate 16 gram of oxygen divided by 12 gram of carbon dioxide of carbon no kon 1.33 32 gram of oxygen ka component chala carbon dioxide gwa me 32 divided by 12 gram of carbon no kon 2.67 mulono mi cha karon up no kon ratio 1 to 2 jana mo 1 to 2 jana min jagwa me ka laws la modern da che mongwandian mi cha la law of reciprocal proportion law of reciprocal proportion jeng chop loy ke statement da gwa me chana ji mi cha element dang rew tu gwel cha kamat element A kane element B mi cha kamat gola cha kamat gola cha ka kulo mat ke third element C la element diodine la C la element la third the ratio masses of A and B la tancha la ratio masses la A in kane B tin cha mat ke tin she combine ke pixel mass of C is either below the same kia bakonong simple multiple ratio in which BA can V bigger combine with each other kwana jala argument ta kon ke hydrogen kwana jala agent compound A kane compound element A shikamat kane oxygen da kon ku chole element B madien shakonung water ta kon ke 8 gram of oxygen she can combine kana 1 gram of hydrogen mo kon beni yo she and he indan la hydrogen compound A let's say compound A she can combine kana C ala sulfur she can combine molono kala 16 gram of sulfur cha aromat kana 1 gram of hydrogen mass de charora ger enjena mo chi liaben jak cha kwa cha oxygen cha ko combine oxygen nin ajen element B cha ko mat kana third element ala C mokola sulfur madien ngumi chenung gwame now the ratio of oxygen to sulfur combined with the same of hydrogen is 8 to 16 me chane o simplify me cha 1 to 2 me lono cha count no simple ratio gome banaro dan yok right ke theory me cha la gun me cha Dalton atomic theory me tek la kan connection de kan laws kan nguto kon cha roi ke kuidien connection e wona John Dalton ke 1908 che la dane che explain in laws these laws by introducing atomic theory kon la atomic theory ke wobal be rokule connect kan laws tato che na jene matter is made up of tiny particles tishal ke atoms so mulono and matter wobakula matter take particles titiani ti chamat chicken con kulanu machal matter connection number 2 mulono atoms cannot be created or destroyed mekol ta law of conservation of mass atoms are created ke cha destroy atom of the same element atoms ka the same element la ka identical element kel atom ne ka la ka identical wala ka shared compounds are formed when atoms of different element combines in a fixed ratio mulono compound la ka form michi atom ni ka different element shi ka combine ke charamat ke ratios mi fixed la ratio ne ken ke fixed charaga this law of chemical combination are based on Dalton's atomic theory can mut ka chemical combination ti ko ko base ka Dalton's atomic theory tidi ka ti chala experimental demonstration tande do di nyot ke je experimental ne me je laws tan la simple classroom demonstration tande nyot ke ka class kwana ilar ke law conservation of mass game wa mi shimla chale barium chloride shi ga mat kan mi yale sodium sulfate solution ka plus mi cha close la plus ka kan yum tin la reaction la ka tin wa plus ye close ye ga shi barium chloride shi kul mat kan sodium sulfate solution me ngum dir nen mi dir observe wone la total mass ngot kin kan liya kan total mass after reaction la ko remain the same jaro again chana ben ka definite laws ki law of definite preparation wone wa kwan pew merka analyze be different source non distilled water ki pew pikier ki pinyal kandia amelono bi kenino hydrogen to oxygen ratio mi 1 to 8 by mass telem gear order koka pikier ki koka pinyal ki pitor melono jet ratio mass mi 1 to 8 by mass law of multiple proportion gome for fusion show with the carbon reacting with oxygen bi nyona lawo bi carbon bi ja ko react oxygen ko be ko non carbon monoxide kana carbon dioxide enjena mo laws of reciprocal proportion tandi nyot ke simple example ke simple demonstration ke class BHU explain using the reaction of hydrogen kana sulfur ke oxygen ke sulfur titi can experimental demonstration tindiri la simple things tindi nyona ka class other teacher ngula goidien laws ti ngula kana na importance of these laws goidien wodi one they form foundation of modern chemistry modern chemistry kula de kon ka kan kula foundation tinto laws ku kana look they help in balancing chemical equation writing a balanced chemical equation oda kon chemical equation no balanced oda kon gor ke laws to kon ko look to ku kana stoichiometry ku kana explain ko stoichiometry no a quantitative relationship ten katin ta reactant kana product relationship in by study they support atomic theory ku kana atomic theory ko kana support kana mole concept ku aka use in chemical industries for accurate measurement and formulation summary table guame summary table guame ka laws law of conservation of mass law of constant proportion law of multiple proportion law of reciprocal proportion ka key idea guame key idea ka kay wone ka law of conservation of mass or mass are created ka are destroyed example chi program of this element she can react 32 gram of oxygen, then she can con 36 grams of water. Melono mishi pour gonna 32 mat, we can 36 chemical reactant, can 36 T, cha created ki cha destroy mass. Me ben kalau constant composition me. Abno compound take a fixed ratio by mass. Mass of water always 1 to 8. Kuka pick here, keeping kuka is always like that. Come multiple proportion the same element form compound in a small whole number ratios. Melono carbon monoxide, can carbon dioxide, the ratio of oxygen, 1 to 2 ratio of oxygen. Reciprocal proportion, combining element with the third one, showing simple ratio between themselves. Mishi oxygen, can hydrogen, chicolamarke sulfur, beacon ratio, simple ratio beacon in yours, among themselves come naked. To take a practical question, it will be law of conservation of mass, be defined, could be example, kelma Miyong, Merodi, and it will be case state, could be explain a law of definite proportion, be example Miyong, could be Shangun, and the audience will give experimental evidence, be able to for the law of multiple proportion. Pour in 1 year, how do this law support Dalton theory? Cooking theory, don't Dalton can support it. Pi carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, 12 grams of carbon combined with 16 grams and 32 grams of this respectively. BHU verified by the law of modified proportion. Quick summary note. Here's summary note for quick revision. Atoms are neither created nor destroyed. Atom chaga create chaga destroy la pari arrange. Compound forms in a fixed and simple ratio by mass. This law proves atomic nature of matter. Shilo Dantes ke wisha na misha jagor ke cha jagwit be chu subscribe ko watuman waka kama boka. And manu ne Kim Simon Miyong jen channel lan me ChemHealth Naath sign ke kwitaka palpoint ke kwinene dia.